What is up, YouTube? It's your boy OTS Matt back with another video today on the M550. Today's video is about installing a new hood on the M550. As y'all boys can see, this is the new hood right here. Don't worry about all of this mess right now. I just did an oil change on my car yesterday. Anyways, I think I'm gonna put her outside to install the new hood. Now I'm gonna give y'all boys a little close start. She gonna be super loud, I ain't gonna lie. So y'all be prepared for that. Nah, I'm lying, it's not loud. She's quiet, chill. Anyways, as y'all boys can see, I got two different wheels on the M550 right now. I got a crack rim. I don't know how. My super speed rims that was in the front. The driver's side, I think. Was it the driver's side? I think it was the driver's side. So now I gotta order two new wheels for the front. I think I'm gonna order two different wheels, to be honest. I think I'm gonna run like two different sets of wheels on the M550. And I think I wanna run black in the back and chromes or silver in the front. I don't know yet. Y'all boys stay tuned for that too. She's still looking good though. I ain't gonna lie. She look clean. She look good right now. Just give her a wash yesterday. Give her an oil change. So now I'm about to go ahead and snap this hood on. You feel me? I can't wait to see how this shit gonna come out. Honestly to God, I can't wait. Now I'm gonna give y'all boys a little close start. Bro, these cold starts be crucial, bro. I swear to God, them shits be loud as fuck. Bro, these cold starts be loud as fuck. Like, god damn. Bro, nah. Why was this shit so loud though, bro? For me? Anyways, I'm about to take the car outside. My neighbor's outside. I know they probably mad as fuck, but hey, I'm doing this shit for y'all boys, bro. So if y'all boys new, make sure y'all boys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on post notifications. You feel me? Dead ass though, like on some real shit. Anyways, I'm gonna set y'all boys up and I'm gonna take her outside. Now it's time to go ahead and unbox this new hood for the M550. I'm really excited to see what this hood is gonna look like, to be honest. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I have no experience putting on a hood. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. You know, we as a car guys, we tend to install car mods on the car with no experience. We're about to go ahead and start unboxing this thing right now. Bro, I've been waiting for this shit, this package for over about 2 months, literally. Probably 2 months plus. But anyways, we're about to get into it. We're about to start unboxing it. You feel me? There's two plugs on top. Boom. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 screws on each side. So I gotta unscrew those to open the top. You can go closer, shut. You can go a little closer. So these are the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's on this side and it's on the other side. So now I'm gonna get a drill. Boom. So we got the clip for me. So this one got 2 bar on it. Put it on 2 so it can go faster. Oh, there you go. Let's go, bro. Oh no, these just come out easily. Well, now I got some screws for my front lip. Boom, already got that one. That side over, that side. I got the outside. You don't got to show that shit. Should you? I don't know. You should. Boom. I got no screws now. But it would make sense for them to put screws inside of it, because they didn't put screws inside of it. I guess the whole top of this probably comes off. Once we got all screwed up, that's how we take it off. Boom. Just like that. It comes off just like that. Put it next to my old exhaust. You gotta keep it. Wow, this one is like, oh, I got two more on this side. What they say? I forgot about these. Boom. So now the top is off. Top is now off. Put that shit next to my old exhaust. Hey chat, if y'all need a M550 exhaust, hit me up, man. I don't want that shit in my shit. I need this shit going. That ass. So if y'all boys need an M550 exhaust, you feel me? It's fully straight pipe. I got some carbon fiber tips on it. You feel me? If y'all need that, DM me. Wow. Yes, this is the moment of truth, man. I'm finna bring this shit down to the floor. I don't need that joint anymore. Oh. So now we're ready to get out the box. Yes, sir. New hood for the M550, bro. Oh my God. Yo, bro, I'm excited, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm excited as fuck. I'm really excited to unbox this shit right now. Alright, to take out this plastic. Feel me? Really shit. And then let's get into it. Yo, it's light as fuck. Damn. Oh. Bro, this shit is light as fuck, chat. That ass. Let's look at the knife. That's this right here. See, I got the tools handy, man. Cold shake. Hello. Alright, now it's time to take this plastic off, boys. Now it's time. Take all of this shit off. Alright, we're back again. We had some technical difficulties with the camera. But as we back to start taking this plastic off. Shit like that. Bro. Imagine this not what I ordered. Imagine this is the wrong shit. I'll be so mad. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. After waiting 2 months, imagine they actually sent the wrong shit to my crib. Bro, I promise to you, bro. I promise to you, I'll be so mad. Like, they'll have to send me a whole new one, and I'm keeping this one. What are you talking about? Alright, so I think we got everything off. Nah, it's super light, bro. I gotta see first. What the fuck? Hold on. Yo, chat. This shit is crazy. Nah. Bro. This shit tough. Hold on, y'all, please. Let me flip it for y'all. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my God. Nah. Yo, this shit tough. Hold on, let me see the camera. Bro, what the fuck? Chat, look at this. Carbon hood with the carbon vents, with the mesh. Stop playing with me though, like, nah. This shit tough. Oh God, this shit tough as fuck. Bro, this shit is tough. Look at that carbon though, that gloss carbon fiber head. Like, come on, bro. This that real shit. This ain't no fake shit. Look at that. This shit tough, chat. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This shit is hard as fuck. Super hard. That ass. Anyways, we're about to put this shit on the car right now. I ain't gonna waste no time. What about that? I'm not wasting no time. Yo, this shit tough as fuck. Yo, the vents on this shit go hard, bro. The vents. These vents is hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys. But anyways, we're not gonna waste no time. I'm about to put this shit on the car right now. Like right now. That ass. Some real shit though. Nah, chat. Y'all see that? Stop playing. Yes, sir. I think I'm gonna have to set the camera up. I don't know yet. All right, I'll probably catch you boys when I'm done putting this shit on the car. All right, chat. So look, we got the hood on the car, right? You know what I mean? Some shit like that. But we have one problem. The shop that I had fixed my car, they gave me the car without no hood, and I don't have a latch. I don't have a latch to put on here so it could close into this. I'm gonna have to go back to that same shop, to that body shop, and grab the latches from them. Because I think they said that, I called them and they said they have the latches that goes here and here. Anyways, to install the hood, as you boys can see, these two screws, it comes with these two screws. It's still not tight. I did not tighten the hood yet because I wanted the latch on first and see how it would fit. Gotta make sure it has like a good fitment. Also, the windshield washer, this shit right here, I don't know how to install this shit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think it's supposed to go up into like these little holes right here. So like, the hole is like not flat. These holes are supposed to be flat, but like as you can see, they goes up. So I don't know how I'm gonna cut these out. I'm gonna have to try to figure it out some way somehow. But look, the hood is on the car. It looks really good. I promise you, it looks so good. The car looks 10 times better. This shit looks so fucking good, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. But I can't wait to show y'all boys. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to the crib. I'm gonna go pick up those latches, and I will see you boys when I'm back. All right, boom. So I'm back again. Bro, I've been struggling all day to get some shit, bro. I swear to God, for this damn hood. Bro, the shop that fucking worked on my car, I don't know what's going on, but I think this is the worst shop ever. I'm not gonna lie to you. Bro, so the hood latch, I had to go back there for the hood latch. I got the hood latch, but guess what? No screws. So I had to go to AutoZone to get some screws to fit the hood latch. Feel me? These are the screws. So now I'm gonna put the hood latch on, and I'm gonna try to like line it up a little bit, and then I will see y'all boys when I'm done with that. As y'all boys can see, we got the hood latch installed. I ain't gonna lie, I had to go to fucking AutoZone to get some screws. The company is, they're still gonna order the original screws for the shit, because I don't know if these are good enough. I don't know. I think they should be good enough though, but I told them to order the right screws. Yeah, I think we should be able to close the hood now. Hood is now closed. Bro, it took me a fat ass minute to get this shit on. As y'all boys can see, I got a couple scratches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 scratches right there trying to put the hood on. But bro, look at the hood though. Like, nah. Look at the car though, bro. That shit look crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That shit tough as fuck. That shit is OD tough. You feel me? I made a video on putting a hole in the carbon hood, even though I fucked up a couple times. Ordered the wrong bit. That's why I fucked up. I got a 5mm. I should have got like a bigger millimeter. But if I sound a little different, y'all, it's because I'm sick. Oh, I'm sick as fuck. But yeah, this the new hood, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It should look crazy, chat. You feel me? But yeah, the fitment is not bad, chat. Bro, the fitment is actually W fitment. For me, W fitment. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I think I could have did a little bit better on a fitment. I think I still could line it up, but I think it's good. W fitment. That ass. That shit tough, chat. I'm not gonna lie. No cap. Hey man, but look, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all drop a like, hit that sub button, you feel me, turn on post notifications. I'm finna go ahead and make some other videos on the car. Y'all stay tuned. More videos will be coming soon, more mods will be coming soon, more maintenance will be coming soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. And that's it for today's video. Peace out, boys. Y'all have a good day.
What up, man? Yeah, you might hear a scat pack or something in the background. Duh, are you stupid? Sin made this bitch.
Don't turn the lights on, I got my ice on. Don't turn the lights on, I got my ice on. In a spot with a zipper dope to the heights gone. On the east side with a strap getting ice gone. Don't turn the lights on, I got my ice on. Don't turn the lights on, I got my ice on. I'm running how my nigga sold a B off an iPhone. You ain't gotta turn the lights on, I got my ice on. Know my chains dancing, bitch, I got my ice on, why you staring at me? Went to Gary, gave him 25, we was both happy. Ugly nigga, VVS is on, man, my friend.